Cool. So that's broken. What is that? Fuck if I know. Ah, kind of a dirty little pig. We'll fix you later. Oh, little guy floating here. It's all so airboxy. What is all this? What is that? Do I give a shit? Maybe. High quality. There. Haha. Cool. That's a 7. Is it? Sure, why not? Okay. Pliers. Don't know. Will that do the trick? Screwdriver. See, without knowing what I'm doing, possibilities are endless. Get off of my piece. There's one on the bottom too. Who fucking knows? Pull up. Pull out. Back up off my piece. Yeah, baby. You're so cooperative. Ooh, look at that. That there's throttle body. There's a tab. How's this go? Fuck if I know. Oh, this gotta go next. Shit. Alright, now, ooh, look at that. Yeah, baby. There is the thing. The motor mount. Oh, it's gonna be easy. I wonder if I have to take that off to get to that. Oh, yeah. Goddamn right you do. Remove the cover. Remove the connector. Oh. Oh, what are you guys doing? Connectors? Oh, shit. Okay. Connectors. Disconnect. Alright, maybe a little of this. Getting more disconnected, you little...
Should we watch this on TV? Okay.
Ooh, you just gotta pull it all the way back. Look at all that travel. There you go. Now, using my fingers and a screwdriver. Yeah, baby. That's how it's done. Ooh, is that a moth in there? Cool. Love it. Just gotta pop this fucker out somehow. Yes. Fucker. Popping. Okay. And while I'm here, this looks wobbly, so maybe I'll pull this out. I don't know which is which. Okay, not fucking with it. Definitely need to remove fuse box to access bolt. Said bolt. Alright. Don't drop bolts. Press screwdriver here and lift out. Scooby-Doo. Shit. Yeah, baby. Okay, good for you. Yes, thank you very much. Fun times. Okay, so what do we got now? 1, 2. How do you get to that fucker? Fuck if I know. Ah. Helps to remove the throttle body. Throttle body bolts. Okay, long and have washer, so don't lose washer. And now you can come off, right? Yeah, and now I have to maneuver you to talk to you and get you off. You might be able to come off and make my life easier. Why are you an asshole? Come on, asshole. Yeah. Okay, thank you, asshole. Oh, yeah. That came off easy. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Boom. Alright, so now with that removed, this gorgeous view, I can start pulling this dirty pig off. It's so wobbly. What do you do anyway? Pig. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuck, I don't know. Delicious. Here we go. With the motor being supported by the jack under, which I believe the motor is being supported by the jack under. Do you think that's true? Alright, well. Not sure. You know that will fucking trade. Oh shit, well okay. You missed the exciting part. Right. Pulling this off here. Ooh, that's fun. See, if I was Randy, I would clean that shit up. I'm not Randy, though, so we're gonna go ahead and take this fucker off. Okay, here we are. Now we make the swap. Swap, baby, swap, baby, yeah, baby, swap it up, swap. Oh, I was hoping it would be in shittier condition. New part, old part, new part. Yes, that's it. There you are. It says 50 foot-pounds for these goof buckets, so that's 50 foot-pounds for these goof buckets. Alright, so that was easy. I just jacked it up, made some space by adjusting the jack height, basically. Dumped that over there, popped it on. Yeah, 50 foot-pounds everywhere. Cool, sounds fun. On the road to reassembly. First step. Oh yeah, I guess it's the throttle body. Well, that's gonna be fun. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Is this... Oh, there he is. Okay, yeah, cool, thanks. Or was it like this? Oh shit. No, definitely like this, definitely like this. Okay, so first you gotta get this fart machine on. Yeah, right there. Thank you. Now take this turd. Whoa! That thing just come out of my car? Jesus. I'm gonna talk to the landlord about this kind of stuff. Alright, so how do you get that thing in there? Where do you want to be? I don't know. Do you want to be up? Do you want to be down? Does that go here? Does that go there? Shit. I don't remember. I think you go like that. Alright. This is 10 Newton meters, roughly. I did it to 9.